Yeah, let's get it.
One sign on the beat.
Lex and Steely on the beat. Let's get it. Yeah, 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 yeah. When I was young, they said I couldn't be a rapper. Sitting short 5'7" with my hat backwards. They hated on me, said I wouldn't be shit. But fuck them hoes I fucking duck them. Yeah, snapback, cargo shorts and backpacks. I said rap back, let's bring that rap back. I grab the Henny, pour it up, and yeah, we jumping on it. And any beat you fucking got, yeah, we jumping on it. You throw it in your car, now you bumping on it. Spitting these flows, nigga, I be splitting these hoes. I'm as good as it goes, nigga, I'm as good as it goes. I'm about to pass it to my homie Lex, and he gon' show y'all what it's like, cause we fucking next.
Yeah. Yo, nigga, where my fucking Henny at, nigga? Now it's that 5'11", light skin, bright grin. Got these hoes thinking that they like him. Smite him, my pockets ain't got room for all you bitches. And my elbows getting sore from all these dabs that I've been hitting. It's just me and all my niggas, swerving and we creeping. This Hennessy that's in my cup has got me out here geeking. Shawty leaking, nigga, hold up, wait a minute. I'm not that type of nigga known for being in this feeling, so I pull up, nigga, do work to start off like a villain. If you don't pay your cards right, then you should quit the dealing. She said, why you so conceited? Bottles in your face, bitch. When she saw the stacks, I left her twerking for a raise, bitch. Get up out my face, bitch. Rubbing on my tattoos, dancing on these hoes. I let them know that's what that cash do. Nigga, yeah, I'm that dude. Nigga, yeah, I'm that dude. Bitch, we gon'